Good morning, students. Now in chapter 13, surface areas and volumes, next exercise 13.6. In this exercise, we are going to learn about volume of a cylinder. So suppose a rectangular sheet is turned into a cylinder. Clear? If you fold it about length, then length of rectangular sheet will be circumference of the base of the cylinder. And if you fold it about breadth, then circumference of cylinder will be equal to the breadth of the rectangular sheet. Clear? So in cylinder, its base is circle and r is the radius of the base, means radius of circle, h is the height. So volume of cylinder will be equal to area of base into height. So area of base is pi r square and height is h. So we can say that volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Now see the example related to volume of cylinder. The circumference of the base of the cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water can it hold? 1 meter cube is equal to 1 liter, it is given. So how many liters of water can it hold? It means we have to find volume of the cylindrical vessel. So here height of the vessel h is 25 centimeter given. H is given 25 centimeter height of the vessel. Circumference of the base is equal to 132 centimeter given, and we know that circumference of the base of the cylinder is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r will be equal to 132. Now put the value of pi, 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 132. Then you can find the value of r. R will be equal to 132 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Now simplify 22 6 ja and 2 3 ja. Clear? 3 7 ja 21. So R will be equal to 21 centimeter. So radius of the base R is equal to 21 centimeter. Now volume of cylindrical vessel, we know that volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now put the value of pi r and h and calculate it. Then you have volume of cylinder equal to 34650 centimeter cube. Now because 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, so convert centimeter cube into liter. To convert centimeter cube into liter, you have to divide it by 1000. So divide it by 1000, so will be equal to 34.65 liter is the answer. Clear? Now see the next example. The inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35. Find the area, find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has mass 0.5 gram. Clear? So now cylindrical pipe, so its inner diameter and outer diameters are given. So inner diameter is 28, means this portion is 28, and outer diameter means this diameter is inner diameter is 24, sorry, and outer diameter is 28. Clear? So inner radius will be 24 upon 2 is equal to 12 centimeter, and outer diameter is 28, then outer radius will be 28 upon 2 is equal to 14 meter. Length of pipe is given 35 centimeter. So volume of wood is equal to volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. So pi capital R square h minus pi r square h. Pi h is common, then capital R square minus small r square. Put the values and calculate it. Then you have volume of wood. It is given that weight of 1 centimeter cube of wood is 0.6 gram. So weight of 5720 centimeter cube of wood is equal to, multiplied by 0.6, equal to 3432 gram. Convert it into kg, divided by 1000, then 3.432 kg is the weight of the wood. Now next example, a bag of grain contains 2.8 meter cube of grain. How many bags are needed to fill a drum of radius 4.2 meter and height 5 meter? It means firstly we have to find the area, volume of drum, then volume of number of bags will be equal to volume of drum upon volume of bag. So you have to divide it, then you have number of bags. So volume of drum, here radius of drum 4.2 meter given, height of drum h is equal to 5 meter given. The volume of drum will be pi r square h. Put the value of pi, r and h and calculate it, then you have volume of drum. And volume of bag is given 2.8 meter cube. A bag of grain contain 2.8 meter cube of grain. Clear? So number of bags will be equal to volume of grain in the drum upon volume of each bag. So volume of grain in the drum means volume of drum upon volume of each bag, given 2.8 meter cube. तो डिवाइडेड बाई 2.8 देन 99. तो 99 bags are needed to fill the drum is the answer. Clear students? So you have to solve exercise 13.6 with example. Okay students, thank you.